Lots of cool stuff out there, Megan. Thanks very much for that. And while you shop, keep in mind that some products do come with a security risk. The least secure device on a list that was put together by Mozilla is this baby monitor made by Freddie. It's been easily hacked in the past, but it's still widely available. It doesn't prompt you to change the default password, so it's easy for hackers to figure out what it is. The company also does not push out security updates for this device. Amazon devices are on a lot of people's lists this year, and they're cheap here for this weekend, but Mozilla is not ranking them very well. The Echo and the Dot both share your information with third parties, and they don't delete data that the device learns about you. If you're a parent, you may have heard about the Dino device here. It's made by Cognitoys. It listens to children's questions and gives them answers that are appropriate for their age. But Mozilla says this toy has previously transmitted information over Wi-Fi networks. That means anyone could access the information about the child who's using it. Some gadgets that made the good list. Well, Mozilla says the Nintendo Switch is secure, and so are the PlayStation 4 and Apple's AirPods. So there you go.